Hi, so today we're going to be talking about the Chrome extension and app called TechSmith SnagIt. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the Chrome Web Store and we're going to search SnagIt as one word. So you'll notice right away that it comes up as in the app section and the extension section, and we actually need both of them. They work hand in hand with each other. So we're going to click Add and add the permissions, and we're going to come back here and click Add again and add the permissions. So we'll notice in the corner up here that we have added the extension next to our Omnibar. So we'll go ahead and click Close. So what SnagIt can do is two things. First, it can do screen captures that are stills, and that's in this top part here. And then it can let you annotate them to draw attention to certain parts. But today we're going to focus on the screencasting aspect of it. So we start by clicking on the extension, which also closes it if we need to, and we're going to click Screen. Since this is our first time, it's going to ask us if it's allowed to use our microphone, and we're going to say, yes, you can. Now our next step is it's asking us which of the available things to record do we want to do. So we're going to look at this form, say we're going to walk the students through it. So we click on the form and click Share. So now, down at the bottom, you'll see it says TechSmith SnagIt Extension is sharing your screen. That's the way it says I'm recording now. So this ribbon will not be recorded. So you can scroll through, talk, click on stuff, whatever you need to do. You can even switch tabs and you should be okay. It should be in the recording. So when you're ready to stop, you just click Stop Sharing, and this screen comes up. First, it should, since this is the first time, it's asking permission to use something in Google Drive, so we're going to go ahead and accept so we can use it. So one of the first things you should do is name your video. You'll notice at the bottom of the screen it says syncing complete. It will resync after we name the video, so we're going to call this SnagIt Intro. And just click out. So you have a few things. You can watch your video here and click Share. So now, down at the bottom, you'll see it says TechSmith SnagIt Extension. This blue box allows you to get the Google Drive link, send directly to YouTube if you're ready to do that. You should probably preview the whole thing first. Or if it were under 20 seconds, you could make an animated GIF, which is like a silent moving picture with no sound. And sometimes that can be helpful to just show a short sequence of things over and over again. So if we click over here, so we're not done here, but if we click over here, we'll notice in our Google Drive we have a TechSmith SnagIt folder. And things that we've already done, you see SnagIt Intro AVI is already here. It's ready to, AVI is the video file, it's ready to go. We would just have to close up in this tab. Now, word of caution, you're gonna want to go ahead and leave the TechSmith SnagIt folder. Don't delete it. You can move it to sub it into another folder if you'd like, but that's how TechSmith knows where to put stuff. Okay, so once we're done here, we can either click the X here or just close the tab. And then if we come back to Google Drive, we may get this message depending on how long our video is. This video not yet processed. This is like YouTube processing it. It may take a second. It doesn't mean there was an error. It just means that Google Drive is processing your video. When this switches from this generic icon to a picture, we'll know that our video is done and ready to go. And that's TechSmith SnagIt.